Once in a while, a big bundle comes along on Creative Fabrica that's so ridiculously big, I feel morally obligated to share it with you guys. So this one's called the Mega Graphics Bundle. It's 8,000 SVG designs and it's $8. And this bundle contains a whack load of stuff. There's musical stuff, Jeep stuff, lips, and I wanted to highlight a couple different things inside this bundle as I scroll on down the seemingly endless parade of graphics. The first one is the musical notes bundle. This is included and you get a whole bunch of different graphics. And then there's another one here that's ornamental frames. And I really like this one as well because I use frames a lot. And so to me, this is really hard to get high quality frames. There's another one here, decorative vintage elements as well. And so I really enjoy this sort of thing. And again, all of this is included inside this bundle. You get forest graphics, and I really like using silhouettes. I use them a lot for prints and for t-shirts. There's dragon graphics, which I use a lot as well. There's mermaids, which is awesome, especially if you're doing print on demand for children's related stuff. And then there's a bunch of car graphics. Now I did want to pop one open. I'll show you exactly what it looks like. Okay, so this is the bundle for the musical notes. And so you have DXF files, EPS, JPEGs, PNGs, and SVGs. If I open up the SVGs, you can see they're all different, but I'm actually going to open up the PNG file just so you can see what they actually look like because of the thumbnails. So this is great. This is individual files. So they're not just one graphics file. Sometimes on Creative Fabrica, people will have like 100 graphics, but when you open up the file, it's 100 graphics in one file. So you have to manually go through and parse them out, which can be a real chore. Here, every single graphic is its own little graphic. So you can use them as is for print on demand. These do include a commercial license, and I think these are pretty spectacular. I'm going to put a link to this bundle in the video description below. And as you see on the right-hand side, here's all the different parts to this bundle. It's absolutely massive. Just a heads up, the link will be an affiliate link. And what that means is if you click on it and you wind up buying this bundle, I would receive a small commission. I do recommend this. I do use this site a lot for my print on demand needs. I highly stand by Creative Fabrica. I think it's absolutely top shelf. And this is a massive bundle for $8. Can't really go wrong. Anyway, I hope you found this video helpful. Good luck on your print on demand journey. And here's another video about how Creative Fabrica works to help you with your print on demand journey. Thanks a lot for watching.